Think microphones are just fancy gadgets? Think again. Time to unveil the tech secrets behind these essential tools. A microphone takes sound vibrations and transforms them into electronic signals. This simple yet ingenious device is the backbone of everything from phone calls to podcasts. First up, omnidirectional microphones. These pick up sound from all directions but struggle with background noise. Perfect for TV production. Next, directional microphones, also known as unidirectional. These focus on sound from one direction, ideal for noisy environments. Think shotgun mics used in film. Then there's the cardioid microphone, a superstar in live music. It captures sound from the front and minimizes the noise from the sides and rear. With digital and wireless options now available, the quality and versatility of microphones are better than ever. Whether analog or digital, microphones remain indispensable in our tech-savvy world. So next time you speak into a mic, remember, there's an entire world of technology making your voice heard. Hit that like button and subscribe for more analysis of tech being reverse engineered.